I went to a zoo that has a giant pelican and it was crazy. The first birds I saw were some rainbow lorikeets. They were very friendly, but they were also very loud. One landed on my little brother's head, and he started crying. Then this random zookeeper came over with a snake. The next bird I saw was a gigantic pelican. The next thing I saw was a bunch of cockatoos flying everywhere. Next thing I saw was a giant eagle flying skillfully. The next thing I saw was a colorful parrot, and he looked so cool. What a great day at the Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary!